Hello everybody, it's Jess here with Bless Jess. Thank you so much for watching. Who is ready for a What's for Dinner video? I am super excited to be bringing back what the kids eat for dinner. So if you haven't seen these before, I am so excited because I used to do these all the time and I kind of got away from showing you guys what the kids ate and you missed it a lot. So in this video, you will see first of all, what the kids eat every day. I do have a child with autism, and so I like to feed them before David and he sometimes has to work late and stuff like that. So I'll feed the kids their dinner, and then when David gets home, we'll have our dinner. So it's a little bit different because it's kind of broken up, but this is the stage of life we're in. This is what works for us, and I would just say do what's right for your family for dinners. You know your family best, and for right now, this is really working for us. So let's get started. Who's ready? Give me a thumbs up already if you're ready to see what we're going to have for dinner. Let's get started. All right, everybody, welcome to Wednesday night. So we are about to head out. Layla's squeaking something. We're about to head out for church, and I'm going to feed the kids right before we go. And then when we get home, I'm going to make something for David and I real fast. It's usually how we do Wednesday nights. I am in my robe. Okay, so I put a Totino's party pizza in the oven, so that's what the kids have today, and they both wanted it cut up into little bite-sized pieces, so we have that. Lucy also has a Danimal smoothie and mixed berry, banana, some peppers, and she has some milk. Hello, guys. And then Nate has the same thing. He has some pizza, and then he has a Yoplait yogurt. And so he has a peach yogurt
and peppers, and his milk.
And he has milk. One thing that, one thing that's been happening since you've been seeing our dinner videos is Nate's been doing very good drinking out of a regular cup. It's a huge...
still kind of still building it.
We're still working on it, but he's doing really, really good. So we're going to eat dinner.
Should I close the fridge?
Yes, you should. When we get home, I'll show you guys what David and I are having.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. So church is over, and this is what David and I are having tonight. Just a real simple. We usually keep Wednesday night's really simple, so I just made a pizza. This is the Red Baron brick oven pizza. It's our favorite. This is just a cheese, but I did kind of jazz it up. I put some pepperoni on there and also some bacon crumbles, like real crumbled bacon, and just jazzed up that, and also a side of salad on the side. A side of salad on the side. So this so this is our dinner for Wednesday night, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow for the next dinner. Hey guys, welcome to Thursday's dinner. Okay, so David is working a little bit late tonight. He's actually at practice. So I just have the kids' food here. We're going to eat a little bit later, and probably most definitely we'll be having HelloFresh, so stay tuned. I'll show you what we have. I made the kids one of their favorites for dinner, and I'm going to show you what it is. So when I make them pasta, y'all, they don't really like the same. Like Lucy does not like mac and cheese. She just likes pasta with butter and Parmesan. So what I do is I just boil a pot of water. I put in her noodles, and then I just remove them with a slotted spoon. And then the boiling water is still good to use to cook Nate's pasta. So it saved me a lot of time, and I don't have to do 2 pots. That might be a lot of work for you, but for me, I'm in the kitchen doing laundry, doing other stuff. It doesn't take hardly any time, and then I always make extra so we have leftovers. So here is what Lucy has. Bow tie pasta with butter and Parmesan. She has 3 chicken nuggets cut up. She has some cucumber and some baby carrots, and she has some pink lady apples cut up. And then she has her milk from this afternoon that she's been drinking. So she has a little bit of milk left, and that is her dinner. For Nate, he likes the ABC macaroni and cheese. It's his absolute favorite. He also has nuggets. I gave him 4 cut up. They both like to cut them up, and I will give them ketchup. Nate will definitely want ketchup, so I'll make sure. I'll probably just move this and put the ketchup right there. So he has 4 of the honey breast tenders from Tyson, macaroni and cheese, and then he's been really liking these Simply Nature Kids applesauce pouches, and then he has some milk as well. So this is what the kids are having. Stay tuned next, and I'll show you guys what David and I are having tonight. Okay, everybody, so here's what David and I are having. This is HelloFresh Tex-Mex something burger. I don't have the paper to show you guys because I had to print off the directions online because I guess I threw away the actual HelloFresh card. So I don't have the picture to show you, but I pretty much made it the way it said. They're supposed to put salsa, like a pico, on the burger, which we don't really like too much. We don't really like pico, so I just left that off. But there's actually Monterey Jack cheese stuffed inside the burger. And I have the bun on there with a little bit of sauce, some roasted potatoes, and I roasted these with the like taco seasoning kind of blend. And then I just gave us a little, like a tablespoon of ranch dressing to dip it in. And they look really, really good. So hopefully I'm sure they taste good. All their burgers taste good at HelloFresh. But anyway, this is what David and I have for dinner. And we'll see you guys tomorrow night for Friday's dinner. All right, you guys, it is Friday night. We are doing something a little bit different. We've never done this before, but David is actually taking Lucy on a date. They're so excited about it. They just left. And so I had to run to the store. Me and Nate are going to have an at-home date night. So I grabbed him a special treat, a Happy Meal, because, you know, he needed something fun tonight too. I'm not quite hungry yet. So when I get hungry, I'll show you what I'm going to have. But David and Lucy are headed to Steak and Shake, her choice, and it's just a nice daddy-daughter date. So this is what Nate's having. Lucy already grabbed the toy out of here because Nate really doesn't care about the toy, so she got to have it. I get him a cheeseburger Happy Meal with extra fries because he doesn't really like the apples or the Go-Gurt. So he gets cheeseburger with only ketchup, extra fries, which they just normally upgrade it to a small fry, and then he has the apple juice. So this is his dinner, and I'll see you guys back in a little bit to show you mine. All right, you guys, so here's my super simple dinner. David and Lucy had Steak and Shake. Nate had McDonald's. I'm having like a Tex-Mex thing from the freezer. It's just like a takeout night. So these are some beef taquitos. I just cooked in the air fryer. And then I have a little side of chips and just a little bit of cheese sauce here. So this is my very quick dinner. We'll see you guys back on Saturday night for the next dinner. Okay, guys, so this was Saturday. We ended up going to Zaxby's. We were out running errands, getting Nate's haircut, doing some other stuff. So we went in and had an early dinner at Zaxby's. None of us were super hungry. We ended up sharing a like family meal, just like a 10-piece chicken finger with a small order of fries, and it was the perfect amount. Everybody had a little bit, and it was super yummy, and it saved me from cooking. So that is what we did on Saturday. Okay, you guys, we're at Sunday night, and I should have showed you before I gave them their food, and I just...
Meeting, but we ate pizza. I wanted to make sure Miss Vicky.
Yeah, okay. She's talking about lunch. That's what she's talking about. I'm talking about dinner on Sunday. Okay, so Lucy, you want to tell us what you have tonight?
Yes.
Okay.
I have milk
to drink.
Carrots and peppers.
Strawberries. Chicken nuggets.
And a little smoothie.
What flavor is it? Strawberry? Awesome.
Super yummy. I love these.
Okay, so Nate has something very similar. He has some chicken nuggets. We are doing a real fast dinner. Mommy is exhausted. Chicken nuggets, some ketchup, a strawberry Yoplait yogurt, and some strawberries on the side, and he has some milk. So that is their dinner. I have no idea what David and I will have, but we'll show you that coming up next. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm having for dinner. David went and got me a sub from Jimmy John's. He got himself some tacos. I just wasn't feeling that. I should be cooking tonight. This is a crazy week. I am exhausted. I do not feel good. My back hurts. It's just been a very long week. So what I get at Jimmy John's is an original sub with, it's like the Turkey Beach Club, I think. It has turkey, cheese, avocado, lettuce, cucumber, and then I get it without mayo or tomato because the avocado is more than enough. So this is what I get, and I'm excited to eat it. And then David got tacos. So we'll see you guys back for Monday night next. All right, you guys, so welcome to Monday night. Let me show you what the kids have. David and I have one more HelloFresh meal, so we're going to have that. I'll show you that next. But I found this pizza dough on markdown at Walmart. I bought it before for regular price, so hopefully the markdown still looks good. So I got this for 43 cents. Normally it's 99, which is still a really great deal for some good pizza dough. It was with like the deli pizzas and stuff, and they just have a section of pizza dough. So definitely check that out if you're interested, but I just rolled it out. I did half cheese, half pepperoni. I was out of regular pepperoni, so this is turkey pepperoni. Hopefully Nate likes it okay. So they're going to have pizza, and then there should be plenty of leftover. Maybe I'll try it tomorrow for lunch. They normally don't really like that for lunch, so maybe it'll be a leftover dinner or something. I don't know. You okay? Lucy's
I'm drinking milk.
Okay, so I've got this. I'm letting it cool, and I wanted to show you guys before I cut it up. But then I also have the rest of their dinner over here. I'm going to use these plates from, I actually got these at Target. I really like these plates. I like that there's a big section. It's not.
I like the design.
Yeah, if you can tell, there's a, what is that, Lucy?
I think it looks like a bear.
A bear. I think there's a bear on both of the same one. So Lucy has some cucumber and some apple, and then Nate has strawberries, and they both have milk. We're just keeping it super simple. So your hair is great. Layla's waiting for anything to drop. So they're going to have pizza, and I'll show you guys our dinner next. All right, you guys. So Dave and I are having HelloFresh. This is our last meal from last week, and I'm finally getting around to cooking it. This is hot honey chicken. I just tasted the hot honey, and it's hot. So I put a little bit extra, a little bit more on mine than David's because he's not crazy about hot. But basically, this is chicken that I breaded in panko and seasonings and kind of like lightly fried it in a little tiny bit of oil. And then these are... Lucy has to make an appearance. Awesome. These are mashed potatoes, like skin-on mashed potatoes, homemade. They look really good. And then it was supposed to come with oven-roasted carrots, but I waited a little bit long to make this, and the carrots were a little droopy. So I just decided to serve it with a salad and some homemade ranch dressing. My plate's not quite big enough here. So this is what we're having tonight for dinner, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow night for Wednesday. Nope, Tuesday. Okay, everybody, welcome to Tuesday night. This is probably the only clip you're going to get tonight because David is at a work dinner tonight, and I just have not felt good. I've had a lot of congestion and stuff. I just don't really feel like eating dinner, but I have made the kids some dinner, of course. Sorry if you can hear the TV in the background. Okay, so Lucy has some rotini with butter and Parmesan cheese. Yeah, smells good. Some carrots, some peppers, a banana, and a jasmine princess smoothie in strawberry flavor.
I just want to go little pot.
And she has some milk.
Milky milk.
This is a color changing cup. It's real cool.
Yes, somebody got this that.
Yeah, it's from Grammy's church. Okay. Nate has some ABC macaroni and cheese. I just got that out of the pot. It looks really good. He has just a couple strawberries cut up.
Too?
Yeah, yours looks delicious. And a Yoplait original in Harvest Peach. I bought a lot of these yogurts on sale, so I'm trying to use them up, and he loves yogurt. And then he has some milk too. You want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay, all right, you guys. So that is it for Tuesday night. We'll see you guys back for Wednesday coming up next. All right, everyone. Here's what the kids have for our Wednesday night. I'm making David and I some chicken enchiladas to show you guys for a recipe video. So I'll show you guys that when it gets out of the oven. I am not feeling good today, so we are not going to church, but I am making them dinner. Super easy dinner today. Haven't got this for a while for Lucy. We've been out, and I haven't found it at the store, but they finally had it, and they updated their box. It's a totally different box, but it's the same stuff. The Krusteaz protein pancake mix, totally great way to get protein in your kids. Tastes just like regular pancakes. We usually do them with sprinkles, but I had some little mini chocolate chips, so we added some of those instead today. So she's very excited. Yeah, we're out of the rainbow sprinkles. So we have chocolate chips, and then she also has a Tiana smoothie in mixed berry, some cut up cucumbers, and some apples. She's already eaten some of that. All right, Lucy, you can come get it. And they both have milk. Nate usually hasn't been liking quesadilla lately, but he asked me. I gave him a couple choices, and he said quesadilla. So I just toasted a tortilla.
Can you hold this because I know it's
Okay. I toasted a tortilla with some cheese on it.
many chickens.
Oh, wow, Nate. It's so loud in here, y'all. So quesadilla cut up, strawberries cut up. I'm trying to use those up. They're getting a little overripe, so trying to use them up. They still look good, though. And a original Yoplait strawberry yogurt. Are you ready to eat, Nate? And he also has some milk. So I'm going to let them eat, and I'll show you guys our dinner next. All right, you guys. So here is the enchiladas that I made for tonight. I did film this recipe, so it probably should already be out, I'm thinking, before you're watching this. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I made the sauce a teeny bit thinner than I did the last time, so I'm going to let this sit here and kind of reabsorb. I think I did a little bit less water in the sauce last time, and I think it probably would be a little better. This is a little bit thin, but anyway, it's probably going to be delicious, I'm sure. So David is on his way home, and we're going to have this when he gets back. I have some salads, so we might have that with it, or we might just have like one or two of these. I'm not feeling that great, so honestly, I might not even eat this. I'm not super hungry. So anyway, but this is what's for dinner tonight, and this is the last day of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the kids' meals back in the rotation, and if you did like that, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye, everybody.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm